how do you think this Manus episode changes the way that VCs work, on the ground in China, but as well as VCs from the U.S.? Are there at this point options for American companies that still want to invest in China?
Yeah, there's still options. One of the structures that is becoming increasingly popular right now is so-called parallel structure. So if U.S. investors, this would be like pensions, endowments, institutional LPs, if they still want to gain exposure to China through the VCs and PEs, what they can do is invest into a vehicle that is only for U.S. investors. And then the GPs, so the VC, for example, who's raising money, would create another vehicle just for all the other investors. And then it would still be part of the same fund. They can go in and invest in companies that are non-sensitive together, for example, consumer industries. And then for any sensitive company like advanced AI, the U.S. investors would opt out. The reason it's appealing is it just lessens the reporting burden for these U.S. investors, and structurally it's clean for the separation.